Hi, I'm Alien Cat, and today we are going to review Turkey's 5th generation fighter jet Kaan. As a result of Turkey's purchase of the S-400 air defense system from Russia, Turkey's partner was removed from the F-35 project. The National Combat Aircraft X project, which will prevent Turkey's vulnerability in air-to-air combat, has been accelerated. The fact that Turkey has produced a 5th-generation fighter jet in such a short time shows that Turkey is using its experience very well. In the 5th-generation fighter jet class, the Kaan project, which is a twin-engine multi-purpose fighter jet with avionics to be produced from composite materials with the ability to absorb radar waves and a low-visibility fuselage design, was launched by Turkish Aerospace Industries in 2011. The first prototype of the Kaan was unveiled at the Paris Air Show. In the statement made by Turkish Aerospace Industries, it was shared that Turkey will use the ready engine until the indigenous engine development project is completed. The Kaan entered the assembly line on November 23, 2022, and performed its first taxi test on March 16, 2023. Kaan, which is planned to be produced in Block 1 Block 2 configuration, made its first flight on February 21, 2024. The F-16 fighter jet in the Turkish Air Force inventory is planned to be gradually removed from the inventory starting from the 2030s and replaced by the Kaan. Thanks for watching.